respected today's function chief guest, Dr. B. Nagendra Garu, Superintendent Usmania General Hospital, guest of honor, Dr. A. Yadagirachari Garu, retired DME of Combined Andhra Pradesh, Board of Directors, referral doctors, IAPNs of Twin Cities, my friends, my family members and staff, Godavari Guns, and Asmico 66 Gold friends, and VMGA doctors. Very good evening and warm welcome to all of you. Today, I am very happy and delighted to inform you that Neo BBC Hospital has successfully completed 11 years. As you are aware that we are the first to start group practice in Twin Cities 2 decades ago, almost 22 years back. We are pioneers in group practice. We are in the process of developing the state-of-art facilities at our center so that it can serve the entire state of Telangana. Our hospital has neonatal and pediatric super specialty, including pediatric surgical services. Our motto is to bring corporate services within the reach of common man. Our hospital specialty is that we are providing free ambulance service with critical care, critical neonates, with transport incubator, with pediatrician and NHS sister in Twin Cities round the clock. We are very happy to announce that 4 batches of IAP neonatal fellowship candidates have passed out successfully. Now, we admitted 5th batch with 4 candidates. Dr. Shruti, Dr. Praneeth Reddy, Dr. Pradeep and Dr. Sharat Chandra. We are now equipped with cooling device, Miracradle for managing sick, asphyxiated neonate, and SLE 6000 latest ventilator is available with us. In span of 11 years, we have treated nearly 50,000 children, including surgeries successfully, many of which include laparoscopic method and many of preterm babies successfully. This year, universally affected by COVID-19, from last March to this year March, all countries of economy, especially in our country and in our state also, as well as in Hyderabad also, we have many hospitals suffered and suffering due to COVID pandemic. We are proud to say that during COVID pandemic and lockdown period, all our staff attended in full strength and paid regular full salaries. All our staff, including front office, nurses, duty doctors, consultants and directors, had received COVID vaccine as frontline workers. Total 96 members in our hospital only. Nobody had any significant reaction. And I am proud to announce that our hospital is recognized as COVID vaccination center for above 60 years and 45 years to 59 years with comorbidities. We have given vaccination to the approximately 500 beneficiaries till yesterday. Fortunately, nobody have any AEFI, adverse event following immunization, and for this, my staff working very hard and appreciated by vaccinated beneficiaries. Very low birth as well as 600 grams were treated successfully by our neonatologist Dr. Sriram and team. We are proud to proclaim that dignitaries like His Excellence Sri Roshaya Garu, ex-Chief Minister, late Sri Nayani Narasimha Reddy Garu, ex-Honorable Home Minister of Telangana, late Sri Subhashan Reddy Garu, past Head of Lokayukta and ex-Chief Justice of Tamil Nadu and Kerala, Dr. Subhash Reddy Garu, present Justice of Supreme Court, and Honorable Naveen Rao Garu, present Justice of High Court Telangana, and dignitaries like MPs, MLAs, MLCs, bureaucrats and social activists visited our hospital and also inaugurated. Today we have honored by presence of our chief guest Dr. B. Nagendra Garu, Superintendent Usmania General Hospital, and guest of honor Dr. A. Yadagirachari Garu, retired DME, Combined Andhra Pradesh. I am very proud to say Dr. Yadagirachari and me were classmates in Usmania Medical College and Usmania General Hospital. When I came from Iran after 17 years, my 4 classmates, Dr. A. Yadagirachari, at that time Superintendent of Gandhi Hospital, and Dr. Girish Narayan, Superintendent of Usmania General Hospital, and Dr. Venu, Superintendent of Chest Hospital, and Dr. P. Venkateswara Rao, Superintendent of Sarojini Devi Hospital. I was so glad, and if I was here, I would have occupied similar post. Many of my classmates are settled in USA, UK, and Australia. Some of them I met first time after 40 years when we started reunion after 50 years because of AVHRE. I am very thankful to Godavari Guns and Roses having a memorable get-together recently at Chirala. We are doing lot of social activities which include free health camps, well baby shows. We have done lot of health education in the form of health talks to lay public, awareness about importance of breastfeeding, vaccination, safe food and water including hand wash and hygiene and nutritious food. And epidemics like swine flu, dengue fever, malaria and other seasonal diseases, coronavirus awareness through prominent electronic media and print media and All India Radio of Telangana Division. We are empaneled with major insurances and Arogyasri. Success of our hospital attributed to the team of consultants, neonatologists, pediatric surgeons and experienced professors in PICU and duty medical officers, well-trained, experienced nurses and front office and other supporting staff. I wholeheartedly thank my directors for their guidance, support and cooperation. Wholehearted thanks to the referral doctors who have come immense faith in us, and I am also thankful to all our well-wishers, doctors who came to today's function, and special thanks to accepting chairpersons, Dr. Srinivasamurthy sir, Dr. Javirao garu, Dr. Usharani garu, and my Iran mate, and E.V. Venkateswara Gaud. He has come long way from Kamardi. Thank you, sir. And I once again convey my heartiest and heartfulness thanks to the today's chief guest, Dr. B. Nagendra garu, and Superintendent, Usmania General Hospital, and guest of honor, Dr. A. Yadgirachari, and as a retired DME of Combined Andhra Pradesh, for accepting and gracing the occasion. Thank you very much, sir. We will assure you, sir, that Neo BBC Hospital is firmly anchored, its feet on ground and well established to take the challenges to serve the needy patients in Telangana. Jai Hind, Jai Telangana, Jai Bharat.
Like and subscribe Eagle Health and Beauty.